Ano gusto niyo, ma'am?
Request
Basahin ko pa to?
Yes, yung patient. I know. Hindi ko na rin alam bakit ganito na.
So may assisting physician? Ay, gusto na pala siya.
Meron talaga.
May facility.
Kinlose nila, sir. Kinlose.
Ayaw mo talaga
Decide siya.
yung ambulance yun. Deadline.
Decide siya on her own. Pwede mo kami mag-request ng cameras.
Ano daw?
Pasukin ng general cameras.
Gusto mo? Palapitin ng mga media?
Opo.
Sige.
Lapit na. Go na. Go, go, go. Double time, double time.
Ding! I-release mo ang media.
Release, 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 release. Go. Go na, sabi ni General. Lapit na. Si General lang nagsabi.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hindi
Ayaw ng
na,
hospital.
hanggang dyan lang naman yung camera eh.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hanggang dyan lang sa inyo.
Huwag nyo lang i-block yung side ng camera.
Alis na lang dito ang mga kwan para makita ng
Para
camera.
makita ng camera.
Sige mo.
I-clear natin ito yung para makita ng camera. Veterans lang. Considering that as requested, attorneys Sonaika Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared to the Medical Center, Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City. Ma'am, si VP, and anybody of your choice. May text tayo galing kay SILG Rimulya. Ma'am, ang sabi ni SILG Rimulya,
yan din ang sabi niyo, tapos kinuha niyo ako kanina, dadalhin niyo ako sa correctional.
Hindi ma'am, tapos na yun.
Totoo.
To General Nick Torre from SILG John Vic Rimulya, transfer of Attorney Sonaika Lopez to Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torre, as verbally agreed upon, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the untethered access of her personal physicians during her confinement. The attorney will also be accorded full visitation rights of the following people: Senator Bato de la Rosa, Senator Amy Marcos, Vice President Sara Duterte. Please be advised that all pertinent hospital safety guidelines should be followed, as well as hospital policies on visitation practices. For strict and immediate compliance, signed, SILG John Vic Rimulya. Ma'am, assurance yun.
I don't need your assurance anymore. That's what they told me in the house. And look where it brought me.
Dito, maraming witness. Dito naman sasakay ka naman mo sa sasakyan ni
Pumayag sila
VP.
sa media, pumayag sila kay Senator Bato.
Ma'am, sasakay po
Pumayag
kayo.
sila sa akin.
Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni VP. Kasama niyo po si VP sa sasakyan. She will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center.
Pumayag sila.
Hindi ka naman iiwanan ni VP, ma'am.
sure yan, Nick, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Promise.
Of course, sir. Nandiyan naman si BP. They are just in one car. Okay, ma'am?
Padaan mo na, padaan na. Padaan na, padaan na. Ay, alala yun dyan.
Si BP, baka ma'am, paano ma'am, paano?
Dito kami sa likod mo, ma. Huwag kang mag-alala.
Muna ako ha. Next.
Goal.
Salamat eh.
Wala yun. Dito. Bangin nyo guys. Nakalihok na.
Thank you.